job. Oh, we got your boy, your man, the supervisor on this here project. Your boy,
right.
Noah.
So today here we have the
Oh, yeah,
1998 Honda Civic Si. Today we're putting on a lowered skirt, a hood scoop, and a wicked wang. As you can see, we have the aftermarket rims. Yep, we got the tinted windows, limo in the back, just under limo in the front. So far, it looks good, as you can see. So yeah, we'll check back with you soon.
All right, buddy, fire her up. Oh, she's oh, we're scraping. Oh. Oh no! Oh!
No, we gotta retape.
Retape, we're good. At least we're out there now. Yo, hold.
We gotta fix it,
You just put it under your tires.
Yeah, go for it. Woo! Oh, we got some smoke, boys.
It's shaking like crazy. Yo, pull in right here.
Good thing we don't have this. Made it down to Timmy. Yee-hoo!
Yo, zoom in.
I don't know how.
Oh no. Oh, well. But he's looking at it.
The wing fell off. We still got the fins and what am I drinking? We got the scoop still on, the hood scoop. I think that's it. Oh, the wide body kit is still on there.